Starting a new job can feel overwhelming, especially when instructions aren't clear. If something feels confusing, pause and read or listen carefully before you act. Don't guess, identify exactly what you don't understand. Sometimes instructions are unclear and we stay silent instead of asking questions. Working without clarity leads to hesitation, second-guessing, and wasted time. When you are told something is wrong, use it as an opportunity to improve. Next time, do it differently. Ask questions, confirm what's expected. You will build confidence through clear communication. Clear communication helps you work effectively, avoid mistakes, and achieve better results. So remember, ask questions, confirm instructions, speak clearly, and build trust in your workplace.